Here's Bear at the water. Oh, there's a ducky out there. Go get it, Bear. Bear. Look at duckies. Duckies. I don't know if you can see them, but boy, Bear's very interested in those duckies. Huh. Hi. Oh. Duckies and their mummies. Yeah, we're not going to go all the way in today because it's a little nippy. I don't want Baby Bear to get a chill. Oh, I really like this Mimi grill. Bear, you want to go get this, honey? Here. Hey, you want that? Go get it. Go get it. There goes Bear. Bear's swimming. He's so cute. He's going to find absolutely nothing. Bear, not too far. You don't have your life jacket on. Come on. Okay, come on. That's it. That was your big adventure. That was your big adventure today. I love you so much. I love you so much. Kisses, kisses, kiss, kiss Daddy. Look, give Daddy kisses. Give Daddy kisses. No, you're not going to give Daddy. Mwah.